Hey and welcome to the channel. Today we're just going to brag. This is an episode of bragging. So, Revit, Tekla, Allplan people, how fast can you build stirrups on a BIM? Let me show you my technique. Depending on the speed of your laptop, it will take a few seconds, more or less. So, BIM with three equal heights of each span. The same beam with three different heights of each span. Complete set of stirrups in 3, maybe 5 seconds. Okay? And then the same beam, 3 different heights of each span and 3 different levels. How fast can you build entire sets of stirrups on this beam? Again, 3 to 5 seconds, maybe. Okay, but how fast can you build in Tekla, Revit and Allplan a proposal of longitudinal reinforcement? Just a proposal. A starting point, starting from the basic beam. There you go, it's just a proposal, a starting point to work. Okay, the next one. It's just a proposal, a few rebars to begin with. Okay. And finally, the most complicated one. How fast can you build this in Tekla, Revit or Allplan? Just to begin with. Okay? Can you do it this fast? No? Well, what you witnessed is just plain AutoCAD. No add-on, not plugin, not some other program. Just dynamic blocks in AutoCAD. And the secret? Yes, a LISP or 2 LISPs working together with the blocks. So if I made you curious, if you are intrigued, just follow the channel and I will show you all the secrets.